good? You good? You good?
Cradle baby.
It's hard though. You good? Are you good?
Oh man.
Fucker. Turn a fucking joke into like a serious deal.
Dude, you have to like crush my fucking head, dude. You're the whole time.
Tell me to stop. You never told me.
I said I couldn't breathe and you didn't get off.
Alright, we're cool. Very cool.
Is your mouth ripped open?
Is that been ripped? Yeah.
Oh.
Why do you sit there and you can't breathe?
Take off your hoodie.
Take off your head. Dude, because I gotta put it back on in like 2 minutes.
I'm done with that shit.
Fucking nutty ass fucking cheerleader.
I was just
That's the only reason he's coming back.
You lucky, right?
Go give him a hug.
Bring me back.
Go
I
give
love
him
you,
a hug.
buddy.
He wants a hug.
Alright.
Get up.
Fuck. He's videotaping this shit.
Yes, I know it's fine. What are we gonna do for video? Where's Ethan?
Stop. You're the first one.
Oh, yeah.
Simmer down.
Seriously, speaking of my back.